What's up guys, hope you're all having a fantastic day. Sorry I haven't been uploading for a few weeks. It's been Christmas time, it's been mayhem and havoc with COVID and all that business, but the channel is alive and well and we are doing great. And today I'm finally going to be showing you a full tutorial on how to fit the ASR module to your C43 or C43 AMG. Right, so this is the ASR module here, and this is a point of view, and I'm going to show you exactly how you fit it. It's really simple, it doesn't take long, but if you're struggling or you want something to follow, you can follow this step by step, and I'll get this installed in your car. So first thing you want to do is open the boot. Right, so I'm going to pop my keys down here, and I'm going to pop the module down here as well. So this might be a slightly different if you've got a coupe. I've got the Saloon, but the cables should be the same. So first thing you're gonna do is pull up this area here. You can grab it from this handle if it's easier. Then this little bit of underlay will be clipped in here like this. So you can just remove it entirely, which some people might want to do, but me personally, I'm quick. I don't think there's any need to move the whole thing, because if you lift it up here, these are the two cables here that you need. So you'll be greeted with these cables down here in the corner. I think on the coupe they might be up here. Anyhow, there's these little foam bits here, so you can peel these back to reveal the cables. This is a standard type of cable where you just got a little clip here and you press that clip and it releases. Same with this one here too. So one is thin and one is thick. So if we grab our ASR module now, you will see we've got a thick and a thin cable. Now you want to take the thinnest cable here, unclip it. Can be a bit fiddly, just need to get your nail in there. Then pull. Then you take the thinnest one from the ASR module and you plug it in here, like that, click. Then you come back to this cable and you've got a thin one here and it plugs directly into that there, click. And there we go, that's it, that is installed. Now we just need to test it to make sure it works. So we're going to put this back, we'll do it properly afterwards, but test it first. Right, so to test it, we're going to jump into the car. Keep the door open, start the engine up. Right, we'll pop our keys down here. Now this is the key fob that comes with the ASR module, so we'll take this outside. Now you'll know if it's working, because if it's working, when you press these buttons here, it should change. So 2 is off, 1 is on. So we know that we've hooked it up and it's working 100% because the key fob is functioning. And really guys, it's that simple. That is how easy it is to install the ASR module. All right guys, now the ASR module is installed, let's have some fun. I thought we could do a point of view drive. I haven't done a proper point of view drive in a while. I've got this head strap here where I can just mount my camera here. I mean, I obviously look like a total idiot, but this should give you a really cool little point of view. We're gonna make it a little bit more interesting. We're actually gonna take this microphone I've got on my chest here, and we're gonna put it in the boot. Well, not in the boot, but we're gonna put it on the back seat so that you get a nice little, bit closer to the exhaust really, so you get as much sound as possible. So it should be a fun little POV drive. Sport Plus, of course. We're just gonna have some fun.